Welcome to the video presentation of Wipee. With our program, you can easily and rapidly manage your operators team in the field. Let's see together the main steps in order to best use the system. Let's go on Program Options. We select the User tab, we press on Add, and we select a new cloud user. We insert his email, and we choose the category permission in order to filter the data he can see. Now the new user will be able to access the database from his mobile phone. At this point, we will create the operator to whom we will associate the user just created. As the final thing, we will create our first customer in order to associate it to the interventions report. The operator will create the report in the hours mark on the phone or back to the office, or he will finish to fill it in if it had already been sent to him, by filling in the beginning and ending hour and the other possible needed information. The report updates automatically in the program in order to proceed to the invoicing. Now, we can create the monthly report for the operators and the customers. We select month and year, and automatically, the program will group all the hours executed from each operator. Thank you for the attention and write us if you have any question, and see you soon.